Tecno's upcoming foldables, the Phantom V Fold 2 and Phantom V Flip 2, have been circulating in rumors for a while. A new leak revealed real-life images of the devices for the first time. Starting with the Phantom V Flip 2, there are some pretty noticeable changes here. The phone now features a significantly larger cover display compared to the circular panel on the previous model. It's hard to gauge the bezels on the outer screen since it's turned off. The inner display appears to have symmetrical bezels all around. There's also a punch hole cutout at the top for selfies. It's spotted on Geekbench with the Dimensity 8050 chipset with dual SIM support, 256GB of internal storage. The Phantom V Fold 2 appears with the model number AE10 and has also been listed on Geekbench with a Dimensity 9000 Plus chipset. The V Fold 2 has punch hole cutouts on both the cover and inner screens for the selfie cameras. The back houses a camera deck with 3 lenses, including a telephoto lens. The engraving on the module confirms the main rear camera is a 50MP lens. A previous report from the same publication mentions that the Phantom V Flip 2 will be priced at GHS 9,800 for the 8 plus 256GB variant, while the Phantom V Fold 2 will cost GHS 16,550 for the 12 plus 512GB model. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.